did you eat last Wednesday? Can anybody tell you? No? But our subconscious knows. If last Wednesday there was some ceremony, some celebration, somebody's birthday something special happened, then you can remember. Yes.
Yes, yeah.
It was Christmas.
Yes, I do remember.
Okay, on Christmas we ate this
Yeah,
cake and
yeah,
this happened and
yeah.
that. So what is significant? The mind records everything. Everything means everything. I'm looking at you, but my mind is also recording all the four ladies sitting over here. Your mind is recording even this sock and this, everything. Because mind is like a camera. And most of the information which are not important or which may be important, then too, they slip back to the subconscious mind or unconscious. So your unconscious is the storehouse. And lifetime to lifetime, it records all. Does anybody of you know the cellular memory term? Cellular memory? Scientific term. Yes. Even our cells has intracellular memory. We can speak to our organs like liver and kidney and heart also. So it is not the very first time that you are here. The soul records everything. And this is necessary to tell you. So that you should understand. Then, what will happen? What can happen in a regression like that? Maybe nothing happens. Number one, you must know that. Maybe some memory comes, sometimes memory does not come if it is not needed. Sometimes you may be visualizing, sometimes you may be feeling, sometimes you may be, because it all depends on the particular ability and the capability given by God to you, that you are auditory much, or you are visualizing much, or you are feeling much, at what level your soul or your personality working. But one thing is sure, very, very sure, that your emotional, mental healing happens at the deep level, karmic level. And that is what is most necessary. You may watch my YouTube channel. There are so many YouTube clippings. I always say, at least once, like you go to Abhyanga, Panchakarma, body massage, or some other therapies and something like that, the general therapies I mean, or general, you may say medical checkup. Even if we don't have any problem, we go to the hospital to get a checkup. One should definitely go. You must learn the science like Reiki and all. You must undergo the session like past life regression under definitely good guidance, no doubt. So that there are so many negative emotions, patterns. We interact with the people, we face the situations, our life challenges and all. They are there in our subconscious mind and they need washing. Am I clear to you? So that is that we will be doing. To happen, what most is healing. That too karmic level, cellular level. Something will definitely come out and you may definitely get transformation in it.